This is the Real Estate Fun Game on taxation. Welcome back. Here are your instructions. For each question, the answer will appear. You provide the question, just like in that very famous TV game show. You'll get 3 seconds to come up with the answer. Keep track of right and wrong just to measure your progress. Run this fun game as many times as it takes until you're ready for prime time. Are you ready? Question 1. These government entities have the authority to assess real estate taxes as a source of revenue. What are state and local? Question 2. In addition to ad valorem, the other category of real estate property tax. What is special assessment? Question 3. In addition to special assessment, the other category of taxes on real property. What is ad valorem? Question 4. This is the primary source of general revenues from which local governments operate. What are ad valorem taxes? Question 5. Ad valorem taxes are based on this. What is the value of real property? Question 6. Ad valorem taxes are based on the value of this. What is land and improvements? Question 7. The meaning of ad valorem. What is according to valuation? Question 8. The value of property as established for the purpose of determining taxes. What is assessed value? Question 9. In Georgia, the assessed value is this percentage of the market value of the property. What is 40? Question 10. The rate of taxation expressed as thousandths of a dollar. What is the mill rate? Question 11. 1 mill is equal to this fraction of a dollar. What is 1/1000th or 1/10 of a cent? Question 12. 1 mill is equal to this fraction of 1 cent. What is 1/10? Question 13. A millage rate of 10 mills represents a tax of this fraction of a dollar. What is 1/100th or 1 cent? Question 14. The assessed value for tax purposes of a property with a market value of $100,000. What is $40,000? Question 15. If the taxes are not paid on real property, the owner is subject to this. What is tax lien and loss of property? Question 16. In Georgia, if a property is sold for failure to pay taxes, a property owner may redeem the property by paying back taxes plus this. What is penalties and interest? Question 17. In Georgia, the redemption period during which an owner may redeem property sold for failure to pay taxes is this. What is 12 months? Question 18. The lien priority for unpaid ad valorem taxes on a property is this. What is higher than all others? Question 19. Special assessment property taxes are usually used to provide funds for special projects that benefit these. What are some citizens? Question 20. Street lights added to a neighborhood at the request of the neighborhood would most likely be funded by these. What is a special assessment tax? Question 22. The amount of special assessment tax in Georgia would most likely be based on this. What is the front footage of each property involved? Question 23. Special assessment taxes are usually paid this way. What is over a period of years? Question 24. The lien priority of unpaid special assessment taxes on a property is higher than all except this type of lien. What is an ad valorem tax lien? Question 25. Nonprofit hospitals, churches, and government-owned schools are usually this with regard to taxation. What is exempt? Question 26. When real property is sold, the capital gain is the difference between the adjusted basis of the property and this. What is the amount realized? Question 27. The tax on the difference between the amount realized and the adjusted basis price of a property is called this. What is a capital gain? Question 28. The amount realized for determining capital gains tax on real property is the selling price minus this. What is the cost of sale? Question 29. Of attorney's fees and real estate commissions, which are deductible in the year that they are paid? What is neither? Question 30. For tax purposes, the sum of the purchase price, cost of acquisition, and the cost of capital improvements is called this. What is the adjusted basis? Question 31. The adjusted basis for real property is the purchase price plus this. What is the cost of acquisition plus the cost of improvements? Question 32. The adjusted basis for real property is the cost of acquisition plus the cost of improvements plus this. What is the purchase price? Question 33. To qualify for the $250,000 exclusion of gain benefit, a homeowner must meet this type of test. What is ownership and use? Question 34. To qualify for the $250,000 exclusion of gain benefit, the homeowner must have owned and lived in the house for this long. What is 2 of the previous 5 years? Question 35. If certain conditions are met, a single taxpayer who sells a home after May 9, 1997 can exclude gain on the sale of up to this amount. What is $250,000? Question 36. If certain conditions are met, married taxpayers who sell a home after May 6, 1997 and file a joint return can exclude gain on the sale of up to this amount. What is $500,000? Question 37. The maximum exclusion of gain from the sale of a principal residence after May 6, 1997 is $500,000 for these people. What is married taxpayers filing a joint return? Question 38. In general, a homeowner is allowed to claim a $500,000 tax exemption for this time frame. What is every 2 years? Question 39. In 1994, a 70-year-old homeowner exercised the once-in-a-lifetime exclusion of $125,000, which is in effect prior to the Taxpayer Fairness Act of 1997. If the homeowner sells another home at a later time, the $250,000 or $500,000 exclusion is this. What is available if certain conditions are met? Question 40. The minimum capital gains tax rate that applies to a specific transaction relies on this. What is the length of time the property was held and the type of property sold? That's it for taxation. Click on some of our other tests as a fun, fast way to learn your real estate terminology.